Hi there guys and girls! Merry Christmas to each and every one of you! Time check. Hold on, where's my watch? Sorry guys, I'm some kind of late. Oh, 12:13. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas to each and every one of you. Let's blow the cake or later on. Guys, come over here. I have here my ever-loving favorite tuna pasta. And medium rare honey cured bacon. Love that. Extracted and cooked on its own oil. And I also have here a grilled chicken. Come on. I don't know which one to start. I'm craving. Merry Christmas. Thank you, Lord, for these wonderful blessings that you give for all the trials and challenges that surpass. Shout out to all my lovely countries. I can't enumerate. I forgot. And I wasn't able to check. And to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces, thank you so much. Every one of you, to all my silent subscribers out there, hi. To all my Facebook viewers, also hi. And to all my followers, and to each every one of you, to my mother in Bicol, Fea Bordo, hi. And who else? Hold on. Want some pineapple juice? Gosh, I'm so hungry. I thought I'm gonna make it. Because you know what, I'm about to start cooking pesto pasta, and then I realized that I don't have the main ingredient, which is the tuna in can. That's why I ran quickly to the store, and then there it goes, guys. So before this, oh my gosh, see that? Oh gosh, there's a calamansi. I forgot. Hold on. Guys, thank you so much. Hold on. I'm back. Where's the calamansi? Oh gosh. Calamansi, where are you? Sorry guys, I forgot. Here it is. So instead of lemon, there's no calamansi. I'll do this for alternate. Okay. Oh gosh, the candle's gonna melt. It's melting. So let's blow. This cake is all for you guys. Okay. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Yes, lovely. Guys, I hope you keep on saving money, and then you will continue your passion to dream. I've been saying this a lot of times, but I just want to reiterate and just want to tell it again for you not to forget, and for you to inspire, for you to be reminded, and to keep on going. Thank you so much, every one of you. What else should I'm gonna say? Anyway, oh, I forgot. My ever loving. Anyway, thank you. And then we still years ahead for all of us, okay? So just keep on going, keep on kicking, never lose hope. Okay? This is for you. Love it? Love it. Wasn't able to go to Bicol because I don't wanna go with the flow by the traffic, by the rush, the holiday rush, and the volume of people who are traveling. And then my Britney Cheryl wagon not yet fixed. That's why. So maybe this New Year, I don't know. We're gonna try. I think that will be all for now. Once again, thank you very much, okay? Bye for now. Merry Christmas, everybody. Thank you.